Say hello to the Chefman Precision Cooker, the easiest way to sous vide. Sous vide relies on precise temperature control that cooks at the food's exact ideal temperature. The result is food that is perfectly cooked every time. Sous vide is a cooking method in which food is slow cooked in a water bath at a consistent temperature. It's easy. Set your temperature and time, seal your food with its seasoning in an airtight bag, and let it enjoy its hot water bath. For some foods, like fish or steak, a quick 30-second sear on each side will give your dish the final gourmet touch. Unlike cooking in an oven, which requires you to remove the food at exactly the right moment, the precise temperature control gives you flexibility and monitors your food for the exact doneness that you want. We built a custom app that makes sous vide more simple than ever. The app connects directly to your device to set the temperature and time. Use one of the guides to pick the recipe you want and the exact doneness that you desire. No further action needed, the app will notify you when your food is ready. With the Chefman Precision Cooker, you can easily create restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen. Never overcooked, never undercooked, perfect every time.